Hit and run driver held by a resident in St. Elizabeth and handed over to the police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links Below 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links Below 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links Below 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 31-year-old male who mowed down a pedestrian and attempted to drive away from the scene on Wednesday, March the 9th, was held minutes later by angry residents who later handed him over to the police. The deceased has since been identified as 40-year-old Kerry Simit of Content District, also in St. Elizabeth. Reports are that around 7:15 p.m. the accused was driving a Nissan Latio motor car along the roadway when he lost control of the vehicle and mowed down Simit. He then attempted to drive away from the scene but only managed to drive a short distance before he was held by a resident and later handed over to the police. He has since been arrested on reasonable suspicion of causing death by dangerous driving. We'll continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.